Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Zoo Chat, where learning English feels simple, friendly, and fun. I'm Luna the Owl, your cozy guide for today's episode.
And I'm Max. Hi Luna. Hi everyone. I am so excited to be here with all of you wonderful learners again.
It's always lovely to have you here, Max. You bring such great energy. How are you feeling today?
Oh, Luna, I'm feeling amazing. I had my morning nuts, the weather is perfect, and I'm ready to chat. What about you?
I'm feeling great too. And do you know why?
Ooh, tell me. Tell me.
Because today's topic is going to help thousands of learners around the world. We are talking about how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Wow. That's huge. Confidence is something many learners struggle with. Even I get nervous sometimes when I talk to new animals.
And that's completely normal, Max. But don't worry, today we have simple, friendly tips to help everyone feel brave and confident when they speak English.
I love that. Friendly tips, easy steps, big confidence. But Luna, before we start, we should ask for a teeny tiny favor, right?
Yes, indeed. To all our wonderful listeners, if you are enjoying our episodes, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, boop. Right on that like button.
And if you can, share this episode with your friends. One share from you helps our small channel grow like a big, strong tree.
Okay, Luna, are you ready to help everyone speak confidently?
Oh, I'm ready, Max.
Then let's begin. Today, we start with something small, something simple, and something everyone can do.
All right, everyone, let's begin with our very first step toward confident English. Start small. And when I say small, I mean very small.
Oh, I love small things. Tiny acorns, tiny cookies, tiny words. Wait, Luna, are we talking about tiny words?
Exactly, Max. The first step to confidence begins with just one simple word.
Let me guess, is that word banana? Because that is my favorite word.
No, Max. The magic word is hello.
Hello. Wow, that actually felt really good to say. It's such a friendly word. You can say it anywhere, anytime.
Yes. And here's a little secret for all our listeners. When you say hello, pair it with a warm, friendly smile.
Ah, yes. The smile. The universal language. Even bunnies understand it. Even turtles. Even grumpy hedgehogs.
Exactly. A smile says, I am friendly. It's okay to talk to me. And that is all you need to begin a conversation.
So, Luna, if someone is shy or nervous, they can still start a conversation with just hello, plus a smile.
Yes, Max. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need courage for one little word.
But Luna, what if someone feels too nervous to speak? What if their heart is going boom 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 like a drum?
That's completely normal. Even confident speakers feel nervous sometimes. But here's something beautiful. The moment you say hello, the fear starts to shrink.
Like magic. Poof. Fear disappears.
Not completely, Max. But every time you say hello, you train your brain to feel safer and stronger. It's like exercising your confidence muscle.
Ah, I get it. So the first step to speaking English confidently is not speaking perfectly. It's simply starting.
Exactly. And hello is the perfect start because everyone knows it, everyone understands it, and everyone loves to hear it.
Listeners, let's try it together. Come on, say it with us. Hello.
Beautiful. See? You've already taken your first confident step.
Okay, Luna. I think I'm ready. I say, hello. I smile. Now what happens next? Do I give them a poem? Do I offer them a nut?
No, Max. You don't need a poem, and please stop offering nuts to everyone. All you need is a simple question.
A simple question. Like, do you like acorns? Because that question is very important to me.
Max, no. We start with the most classic and friendly question in English. How are you?
Oh. That one. Hello plus smile plus, how are you? That already sounds like a real conversation.
Exactly. It's easy, polite, and universal. Everyone understands it, and almost everyone can answer it.
But Luna, what if the person talks too fast? Or what if they say something unexpected like, I'm fantastic but my pet goldfish is having an emotional crisis.
Max, nobody is going to say that. Most people will say, I'm good, I'm fine, or I'm doing well.
Oh, okay. But what if someone wants to sound extra friendly? What else can they ask?
Great question, Max. Another simple and very natural topic is the weather.
The weather. Oh yes. Everyone talks about the weather. Even squirrels complain when it rains on their laundry.
Exactly. Weather is perfect for small talk because it's easy and safe. You can say things like, it's a nice day today. Is it cold outside? It's very sunny today, isn't it?
Oh, the last one is my favorite. It's very sunny today, isn't it? I sound so classy.
Yes, you do. When you use short, simple sentences, you sound confident without trying too hard.
So, what if someone wants more options? More simple questions.
They can ask, how was your day? Are you from here? Do you come here often?
These are great. Easy words, friendly tone. No complicated grammar.
Exactly. You don't need big vocabulary to have a good conversation. You just need simple questions that show you care.
So let me get this straight. Hello plus smile plus simple question. And I already look confident.
You don't just look confident, Max. You sound confident. And you make the other person comfortable.
Wow. That's easier than I thought. I feel like I can walk outside right now and talk to the first squirrel I see.
And you should. Confidence grows every time you practice. One simple question at a time.
Luna, I think I'm getting better at talking. But I still feel nervous sometimes. My body just freezes like a squirrel caught stealing snacks.
That's completely normal, Max. Your body speaks even before your words do. So if you want to sound confident, you have to look confident too.
Look confident. Like, puff up my chest. Flex my tiny squirrel muscles.
No, Max, please don't flex. Let's start with something simple. Stand tall.
Stand tall, even if I'm short.
Especially if you're short. When you stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, you instantly appear open and friendly. It tells people, I'm comfortable. You can talk to me.
Okay, shoulders back, chest open. I feel like a superhero squirrel.
Good. Now the next step is eye contact.
Oh no, eye contact. That's scary. What if I stare too long and the person thinks I'm challenging them to a fight?
No, not staring. Just a soft, warm look for a few seconds. Then look away naturally. That's enough to show you're listening.
So, look, then look away. Not like a staring owl.
Exactly. Leave the staring to me. I'm an owl, it's my job.
Okay, what about hands? Mine always go straight into my pockets when I'm nervous.
That's very common. But when your hands are hidden, you look closed off. Instead, keep your hands relaxed and visible.
Visible? Doing what?
Just natural movements. A small gesture. A tiny motion to explain what you're saying. Nothing big or dramatic.
So no waving my arms like a helicopter.
Max, absolutely not.
Got it. Relaxed hands. No helicopter movements.
Exactly. And finally, the most powerful body language tool is your smile.
Ah, yes, the smile. My number one superpower after eating nuts.
A smile makes you look kind, confident, and safe to talk to. It's a universal welcome sign.
So my body should say, I'm open, I'm friendly, and I'm listening.
Perfect. Good posture, gentle eye contact, relaxed hands, warm smile. Everyone will feel comfortable around you.
Wow, this is easier than I thought. I feel like I should practice right now. Luna, look at me. How do I look?
Max, you look shockingly confident. I'm proud of you.
Yes. I'm becoming a conversation master. Okay. Luna. I feel like I'm getting good at starting conversations. But now I have a big question.
What is it, Max?
Once I say hello. Once I ask a nice question. Once I look confident. What do I do next? Do I just keep talking? Because sometimes I talk too much. Like, way too much.
Yes, Max. We all know. But no, talking is not the most important part. Listening is.
Listening. But I thought conversations were about words. About speaking.
Speaking matters, but listening is what makes people feel truly seen. When you listen, you show respect. You show interest. And you make the other person comfortable.
So, how do I listen actively? Do I need special squirrel ears?
No special ears needed. Just 3 simple steps. Let's go through them. Nod a little. Smile sometimes. React naturally. These small signals tell the other person, I'm here. I understand.
Oh. Like when you talk and I nod dramatically because you're very wise.
Not too dramatically, Max. Just enough.
Wait, what? But sometimes I'm so busy thinking about what to say next that I forget to listen.
Exactly. That's what we're avoiding. When you're planning your next line, you're not living in the moment. Just relax. Focus on their words. Your answer will come naturally.
So I should stop panicking inside my squirrel brain.
Yes, please stop panicking. If someone tells you something, show interest by asking something simple like, Really? Oh, what happened next? That sounds interesting. How did you feel? I didn't know that.
Oh. So I don't need to say long sentences. Just small, natural reactions.
Exactly. Follow-up questions show that you care and that you're paying attention.
But Luna, I have a fear. A big one. What if I don't understand something they say? Or they speak too fast and my brain just shuts down.
That is one of the most common worries. And it's completely okay. You don't have to pretend you understand. You can simply say, I'm sorry, can you say that again? Could you speak a little slower, please? I didn't catch that.
Those sound so polite. So friendly. so life-saving.
They are. And trust me, people will be happy to repeat. Asking for help is a sign of confidence, not weakness.
Luna, this is amazing. I always thought listening was passive. But actually, it's powerful.
Yes, Max. Active listening makes conversations smooth, warm, and real. It turns you from a shy speaker into a great communicator.
I feel like I'm leveling up. Like I unlocked a new skill in the conversation video game.
You did, and you're doing great.
Okay, Luna. I think I understand how to start a conversation. I understand how to keep it going. But there is one part that always makes me panic.
Let me guess. Ending the conversation.
Yes. Every time I try to end a conversation, I accidentally run away. Or I say something weird. Or I wave my hands like I'm directing traffic.
Max. Ending a conversation doesn't need to be dramatic. It can be simple, polite, and natural.
Please teach me. Before I embarrass myself again in public.
You can use a soft, friendly phrase that lets the other person know you're leaving. For example, "It was really nice talking with you. I enjoyed this conversation. I'm glad we talked."
Oh, those sound so gentle. Like landing a plane smoothly.
Exactly. No crashing, Max. You don't need a long explanation. Just a simple, natural reason. "I need to get going. I have to run now. I need to finish something."
So I don't need to explain every detail. I don't need to say, "I must leave now because my cousin Squirrel is waiting for acorns."
Please don't say that. Just keep it simple. End with a nice closing line. "Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Talk to you later."
Oh. That makes the ending feel warm. Not awkward.
Exactly. It shows kindness. Smile once more. A small smile at the end makes the conversation feel complete.
My smile is my superpower, remember?
Yes, Max. And it works every time.
This part scares me. Walking away feels weird.
Just take a natural breath. Give a small nod. And walk away calmly. No running. No panicking. No squirrel speed sprint.
Okay. No sprinting. I will walk like a normal squirrel. If that exists.
Max, you will be just fine.
Luna, can we practice? I need practice.
Of course. Here's a simple example. "It was really nice talking with you. I need to get going now. Have a great day."
Wow. That is so smooth. So confident. So non-sprinty.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Luna. I feel like I finally learned how to end a conversation without chaos.
I'm proud of you, Max. You've learned how to start, continue, listen, and end conversations with confidence. You're becoming a great communicator.
Thanks, Luna. And thanks to our listeners. We are all leveling up together.